you doing? This is me again, Teacher Cathy, and welcome back to my online learning channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the fourth sound that belongs to Jolly Phonics Group 3, which is this sound. But before I get started, I want you to stand up from your seats and let's do our warm-up song. And so for our warm-up song for today, let's do the hello song. Are you ready? Let's go! In 3, 2, 1. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 One more time. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Hello! So before we start our proper lesson, I would like to say hello to our friends out there. Hello, Mia Bella Esto of Navota City. Hi, Mia. This is Teacher Cathy. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you are doing well. God bless, Mia. And also, I would like to say hello to Alessa Noel Ang. Hi, Alessa. This is Teacher Cathy. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you are doing well and I do hope that you are safe and healthy. God bless you. And to all the kids watching out there, this is Teacher Cathy sending my hugs and kisses to all of you. God bless you, everybody. In our Jolly Phonics series, we have done looking at all about the sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 1 and 2. And also, we have done learning about the first 3 sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 3, which are these sounds. The G, the A, and the A sound. So today, we're going to be looking at the fourth sound that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 3, which is this sound. The name for this letter is L, and the sound it makes is L. We're going to be looking at its sound, action, song, story, letter formation, vocabulary, and we will be doing some blending and we will practice our listening skills. But before we move on, I want you to make sure that your looking eyes are open so you can see everything. And I want you to make sure that your listening ears are on so you can hear the L sound clearly. Great! It is Luca's birthday and he is having a party. Luca's friends have brought lots of presents for him. Luca and his friends play some party games while the food is set out. There are little sandwiches, little cakes, and lemonade to drink. Most important of all, there is a big decorated birthday cake in the shape of a lion. Luca and his friends play blind man's buff and bend the tail on the donkey. Lucy went to bend the tail on the donkey and gets a lime lollipop as a prize. She licks her lollipop going, "Ooh, ooh, ooh." To help us remember the sound of each letter, let's add some action to it. So for this sound, "ul," this is never a la, okay? "Ul, ul." For this sound, we lick our lollipop. "Ul, ul, ul."
We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops.
So for our ul vocabulary, let's take a look at the pictures here. Let's name them one by one. Are you ready? Let's go! Ul, ul. Lamp, lamp. Ul, ul. Light, light. Ul, ul. Leg, leg. Ul, ul. Lion, lion. Ul, ul. Log, log. Ul, ul. Lamb, lamb. Ul, ul. Lollipop, lollipop. Ul, ul. Ladder, ladder. Ul, ul. Lip, lip. Ul, ul. Leaf, leaf. Ul, ul. Lemon, lemon. Ul, ul. Leopard, leopard. Ul, ul. Lake, lake. Ul, ul. Ladle, ladle. Ul, ul. Ladybug, ladybug. Ul, ul. Lizard, lizard. Ul, ul. Lobster, lobster. Ul, ul. Lock, lock. Ul, ul. Lotus, lotus. Ul, ul. Love, love. Ul, ul. Loud, loud. Ul, ul. Lunch, lunch. Ul, ul. Lace, lace. Ul, ul. laptop, laptop. Now let's learn how to write the letter L. We'll start with the uppercase L or big L. To write uppercase L, we'll start at the top, then do a straight line down. Then we'll do a line across. Good job! Let's do it again. We'll start at the top, then do a straight line down. Then we'll do a line across. Great job! Now you try. Perfect! Now you know how to write the uppercase L. Now let's move on to the lowercase or little l. To write little l, we'll start at the top. Then we'll do a straight line down. Good job! Let's do it again. We'll start at the top, then do a straight line down. Great job! Now you try. Perfect! Now you know how to write the little l. Now let's do some blending. Once again, blending is running the sounds together to make a word. So for this sound, we're going to be blending the ll sound with the sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 1 and 2. And also, we will be blending the ll sound with the first three sounds that we can find in Jolly Phonics Group 3, which are the g, o, and a. Are you ready? Let's go! Now let's do sounding, blending, and reading. Are you ready? Here we go! O, a, p. O, a, p. Lap, 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 lap. O, e, g. O, e, g. Leg, 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 leg. O, g. O, g. Log, 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 log. O, t. O, t. Lot, 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 lot. O, ag. O, ag. Lag, 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 lag. O, et. O, et. Let, 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 let. O, e, p. O, e, p. Lip, 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 lip. O, e, d. O, e, d. Lead, 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 lead. O, a, k. O, a, k. Lack, 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 lack. O, k. O, k. Lock, 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 lock. O, e, k. O, e, k. Lick, 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 lick. O, a, k. O, a, k. Lock, lock, U, A, P. U, A, P. Lamp, 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 lamp. U, A, D. U, A, D. Land, 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 land. U, ast, u, ast. Last, 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 last. U, I, st. U, I, st. List, 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 list. U, E, D. U, E, D. Land, 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 land. Now let's practice our listening skills. Let's play a game to see if you can hear the ul sound in any of the words that I'm going to ask you. Are you ready? Let's get started. Can you hear the ul sound in the word lobster? Lobster. Did you say yes? Then you are correct. Ul is in the word lobster. Now where can you find the ul sound in the word lobster? Did you say at the beginning of the word? Then you are right. Give yourself a tap on your back. Ul is at the beginning of the word lobster. Lobster. Great job. Now here's another one. Can you hear the ul sound in the word clap? Clap. Did you say yes? Then you are right. Ul is in the word clap. Now, where can you hear the ul sound from the word clap? Did you say in the middle of the word? Then you are correct. Ul is in the middle of the word clap. And here's the last one. Can you hear the ul sound in the word bell? Bell. Did you say yes? Then you are correct. Ul is in the word bell. Now where can you find the ul sound in the word bell? Did you say at the end of the word? Then you are correct. Ul is at the end of the word bell. Awesome job, kids! I'm so proud of you. So that concludes our ul sound for today. I think you're ready for our ABC song. Can you sing with me? Let's go!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
So this is our activity sheet for today. First, write your name. Beginning sound O. Direction. Trace the uppercase O and the lowercase o. Then answer this question. 3 of these pictures have an O sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. That's it. Once you're done, you can give yourself a star. To answer this activity sheet, you can download it at Teacher Cathy Facebook page. See ya! So that's it, kids. I hope you enjoyed learning with Teacher Cathy. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I post new videos in this Teacher Cathy channel. And also, don't forget to visit and follow Teacher Cathy Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless everyone. Keep safe.